Art Friends. Today we are going to draw Nabbit from Mario.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along because art is always better with
Friends.
Yeah, friends like you. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, also some paper and
something to color with.
Yeah, but remember, you don't have to use the same art supplies that we're using. You can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw the main shape of Nabbit, which is just kind of a big jelly bean shape. So we're gonna start by drawing two lines next to each other. So I'm gonna draw them maybe this far apart, like that. Two straight lines for the side. Yes, and then we're gonna draw the top of Nabbit. We're gonna draw a rainbow line or an upside down U shape to connect the top. And also that same U shape down here at the bottom. That looks like a jelly bean or pill shape. Yeah, nice job. Now let's draw the handkerchief that's around his mouth. We're gonna draw a curve across here. And then we can draw the bottom part of the handkerchief coming down and then back up. So the letter V. Then let's draw his eyes. I'm gonna draw a circle this big over on the left and also on the right. And then we'll color in those shapes also. Make them just a little bit bigger. We're also, when we color Nabbit purple, we're gonna leave a white circle around each of the pupils. Nice, now let's draw the bunny ears. I like that he's called Nabbit. It sounds like a rabbit. We're gonna draw a big upside down U for the left ear and an upside down U for the other ear. Nice. Now we're going to draw the mouth later with our markers or colors. So let's move on to the arms. I'm going to draw two straight diagonal lines coming out to the left, and we could also draw those same diagonal lines coming out to the right. Then we're going to draw the gloves. We're going to draw a line connecting both of the arm lines. And then we're going to draw two kind of diagonal lines coming in. This is for the bottom of the gloves. Yeah. And then we're going to draw the hands. And it looks like a circle, but we're only drawing part of the circle to connect the one side to the other side. And then let's draw that same kind of half circle and try to, ooh, this one's getting bigger. Try to match the left and the right so they look the same. There we go. Now let's draw the legs. We're going to draw two straight diagonal lines coming out for each leg on each side. And then we can draw the boots. We're going to do the same thing we did for the gloves. And then we'll draw a short line on the outside and a short line over here on this side too. And then we're going to draw a longer line on the inside. This is for the heel. Then we're going to draw the toes sticking out like this. We're going to curve out and down. And then we can connect the toes to the back of the feet on both sides. Let's also add the bottom of the shoes. We'll just add another little thin layer on the very bottom. Then we need to draw his bag. Let's draw the top of the bag sticking out of the top of his hand. And then we'll draw the rest of the bag hanging down like this. We did it! We finished drawing Nabbit, except we're not completely done.
Nope, we still need to color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
We're almost done coloring, but we still have to draw his mouth on his bandana. So first we're starting with a pink color. This is number 341 if you're using our same Art for Kids Hub markers. And we're gonna draw the outside lips of the mouth. And the next time I draw Nabbit, I think I would draw the bottom of the bandana a little bit lower. So this V, the letter V, I would draw it lower so that I have more room to draw big lips. So we're gonna draw a big kind of jelly bean shape that comes around like this on the bandana. So I'm gonna try to draw it a little bit thicker. And because I drew the bandana a little bit smaller, I'm going all the way to the edge. But there should be a little bit of white space on each side. I'm gonna make the top of his lips a little thicker too. There we go. Now it's starting to look like Nabbit. Nice, now we're ready to switch to our gray marker. This is CG1, it's a light gray. And we're gonna first draw that same shape but on the inside. So we'll trace around like this. And it's okay if it's a little messy because the mouth is actually, it looks like it's hand drawn on his handkerchief. Next, we're gonna draw his sharp teeth. And the first tooth we're gonna draw is right in the middle. We're gonna draw an upside down V right in the middle. Yeah, and you could also draw another line right next to it so it's just a little thicker. There you go. And then we're gonna draw a smaller upside down V on the left and also on the right. We did it, Teryn. We finished drawing Nabbit and he turned out perfect. I especially love yours.
Thank you.
I also forgot to mention that I added a little mushroom on the bag, but you can leave that off to keep the lesson a little easier. I also went around the outside with a thicker line. I just like how it looks.
You could also add a Mario background to finish your drawing.
Oh, that would be awesome.
We hope you had fun drawing Nabbit.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Both of our drawings look different, but they turned out awesome. The most important thing is
To have fun and to practice.
yes, have fun and practice. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.